Xiaomi has introduced a new purple color option for its Mijia Colorful Suitcase. The suitcase is now available for crowdfunding on the YouPin platform. The 20-inch model costs 199 yuan, $28, while the larger 24-inch version is priced at 299 yuan, $43. Xiaomi plans to start shipping the new variant on March 26. Xiaomi Mijia Colorful Suitcase specifications. The Mijia Colorful Suitcase features a lightweight, durable polypropylene (PP) shell with an anti-scratch textured finish for enhanced protection against daily wear and travel impacts. The suitcase features a polyester fiber interior lining with an antibacterial coating to prevent bacterial growth. Its internal design includes a U-shaped zipper compartment and X-shaped securing straps for organized and efficient storage. The 20-inch suitcase measures 355 by 235 by 510 mm shell and 375 by 235 by 570 mm overall, weighs 2.7 kilograms, and has a 40-liter capacity. The 24-inch version measures 430 by 275 by 615 mm shell and 445 by 275 by 670 mm overall, weighs 3.4 kilograms, and offers 67 liters of storage. The Xiaomi suitcase features large diameter spinner wheels for improved stability, reduced noise, and smooth movement on various surfaces. It includes a TSA-approved lock for travel security and a rust-resistant, 4-stage adjustable aluminum alloy telescopic handle for smooth operation. The suitcase comes with reinforced side feet for abrasion resistance and a TPU handle for comfortable lifting. The purple variant joins other color options, which include black, blue, white, pink, and green.